course, in Thailand, there's something for everyone, and that's something that you need to keep in mind. It is not just a destination for one specific type of travel. I've often said to you that it really is a diverse country, the size of Texas, and you can literally have 3 different holiday experiences in one country. One of the highlights of family travel is to have an exchange with the elephants when you come. And you have many options. And it's truly special, and I can tell you, you send a child to Thailand to play with the elephants and to interact and to learn with them, and she will become a client of yours for life.
It's nice to have a network of people that you can trust, that are very knowledgeable, and that really care about your success as well as theirs. And the suppliers here are some of the best that I've met. I love growing my agency portfolio is very important for me, so I can be prepared when clients come to me because they trust me for travel information, so they can come to me and I'll say, oh yes, I know these suppliers, I have a perfect supplier for you. So I just like to be prepared, and the Family Travel Forum really prepares me for that.
I would love to come back. It's been such an amazing experience with, in the actual meetings, but then even just at the networking events where you could sit around and sit with anybody at a table to grab lunch or dinner, and just so many different people you'd never meet. And on both sides, like I said, whether it's another travel agent from another company, an owner, or somebody who works for somebody, or when you're going and you're meeting these BDMs and everybody to really talk to them about their property specifically.
Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine.
So I attended last year and I came back this year because some of the new suppliers that I met, having met them in face-to-face, then I can talk to them. They know who I am when I talk to them on the phone or via email. And I just feel like I get a little bit more of a personal relationship with the suppliers that are, big and have hundreds of accounts, but it feels a little more niche market to me when I need something.
I have been surrounded and met so many new agents that are colleagues and now friends. And it's just been so amazing. The marketing and social media sessions, I took so many notes that I cannot wait to share them with my team back home, and also with any of my colleagues that would like to share notes. And it's just been amazing. The one-on-one supplier meetings, I've met new suppliers and destinations that were not on our radar, and I would not have known about them otherwise. So it's been amazing. I'm so grateful to be here, and thank you again.
A big thanks to all of our partners that have participated, not only our exhibitors and the travel agents that have made it a point to be here this week. We know that they have business on the books. It's a very busy time of year, so taking the time out of the office really tells a story about what this event means to their business. And we'd like to thank the team at Palace Resorts, Moon Palace Jamaica, all of our sponsors, of course, Digital Video Concepts. It's going to be our partner for years to come. And Thailand, Hawaii, the Fives, the list goes on and on. We have so many people to thank, so thank you so much.